Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Apify API token. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Your personal API token is usually stored inside your account settings and can be copied in just a few steps. Start by opening your browser and visiting Apify platform. Once the site loads, sign into your account and open the console area. After entering the console, look toward the left sidebar and open Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the API and Integrations section. This area contains your account API details and token management options. Once you open it, you should see your user information along with your API token. A default token may already be created automatically. If you need a new one, click Create New Token and enter a description so you can remember where it will be used. You can also customize settings such as expiration dates and permission limits before creating it. After the token is generated, you can use the copy button to quickly copy it. Keep in mind that API tokens are sensitive credentials and should never be shared publicly because they can grant access to your account and connected services. You may also see options to rotate, edit, or delete tokens. Rotating a token creates a new key and disables the old one, meaning any applications using the previous token will need to be updated. You can also edit permissions later or completely delete a token if you no longer need it. That's the process for locating and managing your API token for integrations and connected applications. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find Apify API token. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.